Welcome back, Freedom Savers. So this is the crazy aggressive dividends update for January 19th. It's actually the market closed on yesterday, the 18th. Sorry, I've been at work and I don't even know what day it is. Anyways, so let's get into the update. This one's pretty simple. Current value is $14.90.41 with $4.14 in cash. There's been some activity in here. I'll show you that in the spreadsheet. So current value $14.90.41. I have deposited $1,405, and that includes the referrals I've received. Thank you for everyone who has used my link. There hasn't been a lot of you, but the ones that have, I truly appreciate it. I have a gain of $85.41 at this point, so the portfolio is up by 6.08%. Not bad. I am depositing $50 every Monday on this. We're going to take it to at least $2,000. Dividend-wise, dividends are all foobarred on this. They are all messed up badly. And that's because they did that reset to get my OPI shares. It's getting really hard to track these properly. I've actually earned more than $12.54 in dividends on this, but I don't know the exact amount. And since they did that reset on my account, I've earned $2.22. So I'm just manually keeping track of this part so I know when I get new dividends. So it's kind of a mess and it's annoying. This month I've been paid $3.32 of dividends. Almost caught up to December at this point, not quite. Sell activity, I did sell those two trusts I told you I was selling. I believe I already said this last week, but just making sure. I sold those two, then it left a little left over on that one and I sold it. Dividend changes. That's a special dividend. No dividend changes. So to the yearly dividends, you can see I am in the green on everything except for two holdings. And that is Vector and Ford. They are both down on my portfolio at this point. There's been 2 investing days that I have actually invested, which was the 7th and the 14th. Well, actually it was just the 14th, wasn't it? So there's been one investing day. One investing day, which is the 14th. Total deposited has been $75. $50 was deposited from me and $25 from a referral. That increased my yearly income by $8.12, giving me a total yield on cost of 10.83%. The overall average yield for this portfolio is 10.13%, so that's pretty good. And my overall average yield on cost is 10.56%. So this week's deposit actually did pretty good. I've got $144.83 per year in dividends, which breaks down to $12.07 a month and gives me an overall return on the portfolio of 10.31%. Not too shabby. And that's not counting capital gains. And that's it. That is the aggressive portfolio. I don't think I've bought any new positions. No, I just sold those and then I didn't replace them. Yeah, that's all I did. So that's it. That's all I've got for the aggressive dividends, guys. If you have any questions about this particular portfolio, drop a comment down below. Let me know. Keep in mind that January is almost through. We're 3/4 of the way through. If you are going to open an M1 account and you want a free 25 bucks, please feel free to use my referral link, which is in the description, and you will get a free 25 bucks, and so will I. And that's all I got. So thank you, guys. Have a good one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.